Alright, what's up everybody? So I'm going to be showing you guys a different video from my usual troqueando ones. This is more of a breakfast type thing that I like to make. Like it's kind of like a little dessert but a little healthy version of pancakes. So these are banana pancakes but they're flourless. So I'm going to be using oatmeal instead of flour. So basically to start off, you gotta blend the oatmeal. I already blended this and it's going to get like this, kind of like powdery. You need bananas mashed up. You need a little bit of salt, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of vanilla, some eggs, and basically those are all the ingredients that you're going to be needing. You're going to mix all that up and just put it in a pan and it's going to end up making you pancakes. So first I'm going to start off by, after you blend your oatmeal, mine's already blended because I had some extra, but once you blend it, you're going to start mashing the bananas. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. So this is a good breakfast. Later on, you could also make it where like you could add like syrup, where you could add like syrup, peanut butter, even dice up some bananas. Depends how healthy you want it. In this case, I might be using a little bit of Aunt Jemima and a little bit of peanut butter, but sometimes I don't. It just depends how healthy I want to be, or usually I make this on the weekends when I have more time and I wake up. But this is just something that I want to share with you guys in case you guys are interested in making it. It's a delicious snack or delicious breakfast idea that you guys can do. And if you guys do end up trying it out, make sure you guys comment down below, let me know what you guys thought about it, if it was good or not. Personally, I enjoy it, my family enjoys it, so but enough talking, let's get to it. We're gonna start mashing up the bananas now. Scream until I last breath, every heartbeat. Turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines. We will face it, stand inside.